help me to remove this background. Okay, let me try. Really? You use erase? Sure. Uh-oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I want to show you how to remove the white background. First, you need to unlock the layers. And then click on channel. Right click on the blue channel and click duplicate. You can rename or click OK. Click to show the channel copy. And then you need to click on MX and click adjustment and click levels. And after that show the dialog box here, you just set aside of make the colors white and black object. After you adjust, click OK. Next, click on this button to make selection here under the right side. And after you need to click on select and choose inverse. Next, you need to unhide the RGB color here. And make sure that you need to hide the channel copy. Go back to layers. If you want to remove the white background, you just click on mouse button this here. Well, perfect. You're welcome. Next, right click on layer and choose convert to smart objects. And the last point, right click and click the rasterize layers. Okay, perfect to remove background. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.